Welcome back, and we are going to a different topic. And we've done quite a number which are not on this list. So when I redo a different list, we'll include all those. Now, the topic we are going to do is assembly drawing configuration and general assembly drawings creation, right? So this topic we cannot do prior to or before we do numbering. So we'll jump straight to project numbering straight. Now let me switch to up Tekla structures environment, and what we're going to do is simple, just to number the whole model. So left click and hold your left button and create that square or rectangle. Then we have that, and then release. So everything will be selected. Everything will be selected. Just give it some time for that information to be processed, or just you can press Control A and everything will be selected. So once we've selected this, we'll go straight to drawings and components. And specifically, what you're looking for is this tool, perform numbering. But if you're a newbie or you're new to Tekla structure or you are within the intermediate and you're a guy who doesn't want to, who don't like a lot of mumbo jumbo, I mean, complicated thing or complicating things, instead of just clicking this drop down arrow and picking all this, you can pick the first one, number the selected objects, or just go ahead and click that selected objects. And if you see this, don't worry, my friend. Don't worry, my friend. Assign numbers and give it some time to process that information. You can see numbering is complete as quick as that. Then left click on empty screen to deselect all the selected members, all the selected frames. So that is how you do your numbering. It's simple as that. Numbering has been done. So let's meet then on the next topic. Bye bye. Hope we will connect smoothly or transition smoothly to the next topic. Bye bye. This is Maurice Dimba, and I hope you've gotten something and you can do this by yourself. That will be